The mapping review is more useful in a study where we have stratified type of arrangement, where we have classified our particular area into separate fields or separate groups and created a stratified study. In this, visualization of the distribution of the data is done. Then charts and graphs may be used, clear presentation is there. It is very easy to understand. However, there is less depth in this kind of a review. Now, for example, we want to perform a mapping review on the climate change education in schools. Now, first of all, we will collect all the available studies on how climate change is taught in the schools. Then we categorize the education level like primary, secondary, university. Then the teaching methods, lectures, projects, digital tools, geographical regions. So basically stratification of the area and stratification of the education level is performed. Now this method does not deeply analyze the findings, but instead it maps the scope of the research and identifies the areas needing the further study. Like there is limited research in the primary school level or at the university level, a lot of work has been done. So this kind of findings will be brought out using the mapping review. The key difference from a systematic review is the systematic review tries to answer a particular research question and what works. However, a mapping review will try to find out what research is already existing and how it is organized into different stratas. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you very much.